For some reason, everyone hates vegetables. From young children to their smarter adult version, they all hate it. Unlike fruits, for example, which had a full game created just for them. I'm talking about you, Fruit Ninja. But no, I will not stand by and watch my dear vegetables be ignored any longer. Today, I will change that. I will contribute to embracing the awesomeness of vegetables by creating Vegetables Ninja in virtual reality. First thing first, let's create a spawner to spawn our vegetables. I've created a new project in Wonderland Engine. Created a component. I started very simply by spawning just a cube. Then I added physics to the spawned cube. Beautiful. I added a force up so that the box would be pushed up at the start instead of just falling down. Super awesome. Now I need to make it spawn many times, not just once. For that, I have set a loop schedule to always spawn the box with a delay. Let's test that. Oh no! Turns out, I needed to add the seconds of the delay. Now that's perfect. It keeps spawning a new box not instantly, but instead every 2 seconds. Perfect. To spice things up, I have set a random force and delay for each spawn. I have then duplicated the spawner to see it in action. See? Each time a different random force number is applied. Nice. Also, as a future tip, don't forget to set the gravity to true, or else... I have also added a random rotation, and now things started to get much closer to the final goal. I need a sword. You know, swords are a super cool way to slice vegetables. I have created a sword placeholder with a symbol cube, added physics to it, and the idea now is as follows. I will spawn 2 mirrored objects parented to each other. When they touch the swords, I will unparent them and add some force, and boom, they will be sliced away from each other. And so I did that with the cubes, and colored them differently to notice the difference. But of course, nothing is simple in this life. Whee! I have turned the physics collision off for the other vegetables and cubes, so they collide only with the sword and not with each other. You know, to fix this mess that happened before. Now when they touch the sword, I will unparent and add force to them. See? They get sliced from my sharp sword. Wonderful. Now, let's add vegetables. I have searched online for 3D vegetables and oh my god, someone has created an entire art gallery for the vegetables. Respect. I have downloaded it along with others, took them to Blender, and cleaned them up for our honorable project here. Now I want a random vegetable to be spawned every time. So I've created an array and put all the vegetables to it, and added another array for their materials. And I've created a random index number, and it will select the corresponding vegetables meshes along with their associated materials. Let's see that. Beautiful. Talking about beauty, let's beautify the map. And let's beautify the sword using this awesome sword from this awesome creator. Let's see how it looks in virtual reality. Beautiful. Let's spice things up more by adding a trail effect to the sword. Just with that, it looks super fun. I feel like Harry Potter. But I want the trail to only appear when we hit a vegetable. And so with the code, I have enabled it when it touches a vegetable, and after half a second it gets disabled again. Also, I have used the old burst particles that I have used in Pac-Man. And since I used it in Pac-Man, I swear I'm using it in almost every project for some reason. I think I'm in love. Awesome! I have created a score text that gets increased every time we touch a vegetable. Then I have added a timer that decreases over time. When it reaches 0, it's a game over. I have created a game over panel with a reset button. and I made the panel look beautiful with vegetables all over it. Now, you're a healthy panel. And let's not forget the most important thing, the bombs. I have modeled the bomb, imported it to Wonderland, then added it to our spawner to be randomly spawned along with the vegetables. And also, I created 3 X texts. Each time we hit a bomb by mistake, 1 X will turn to red. When all X's are red, then it's a game over. You loser. I have added sound effects, and now, let's see the final result. I'm proud of what has been accomplished here, and I feel honored to contribute to the vegetables revolution. If you too love vegetables and game development, then come join us in Wonderland Engine. Join our Discord server, you will find the link in the description, and chat with a community full of game developers and vegetable lovers. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.